When a service provider updates the status of an event through sureEcosystem, real-time information is available to both FleetNet and the customer. This allows the customer complete visibility into what is happening with their vehicle, reducing the back-and-forth emails and phone calls trying to determine and report on the current situation. In addition to the many service provider dispatching platforms currently connected to FleetNet, service providers can also provide status updates directly from the FleetNet America website. By going to FleetNetAmerica.com and selecting FleetNet Status Update from the Service Provider tab, the service provider will be presented with a new screen prompting the user for a reference and unit number. The service provider can then enter these two pieces of information and access the event record. Within the event record, the service provider can perform a variety of updates and other actions, including updating their status. The initial status of an event is pending for all mechanical events, and the service provider can progressively move through the various statuses, including pending, acknowledged, en route, arrived, working, and complete. Doing so will not only electronically update the customer, but also satisfy FleetNet's Interactive Voice Response System, or IVR, often referred to as Caroline, and will circumvent automated calls to service providers.
This is FleetNet America calling for an update on reference number 6399.
To make each status update, the user should simply click the blue Update button, select the appropriate date and time for the status, and click Update. Once the event is updated to the complete status, the service provider will be asked to enter the cause and correction information, as well as to certify that the unit is ready to roll. Updating statuses through sureEcosystem is a key component to providing best-in-class service from FleetNet America.